I think the most remarkable thing that happened in there was that there was no attempt to defend the ban on gay and lesbian marriage. There was no indication of any harm. All that was said in there was that this important constitutional right ought to be decided at the state level as opposed to the federal government. But it is a federal constitution that we have, and it is a federal constitution that guarantees fundamental rights to every citizen in every state. And so when we are now down simply to the question of how do you establish marriage equality, I think you can see how far we've come in the last few years.
We are confident where the American people are going with this. We don't know for sure what the United States Supreme Court is going to do, but we're very, very gratified that they listened, they heard, they asked hard questions, and there's no denying where the right is, and we hope that the Supreme Court will come out in that way when they make this decision in June. Based upon the questions that the justices asked, I have no idea. Well, the court has several ways to decide this case, from a very broad, sweeping conclusion with respect to the rights of our citizens in this country to a narrower ruling that would be limited basically to California. The court never gives you an idea how they're going to decide it. They didn't today. They've obviously read the briefs. They care about the issues, and then we'll see what the court decides.